Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limits. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we can do about factorization in here. About this one, we can do about factorization in here, and we get about 3x squared multiplied by x plus 1. So we simplify s plus 1 on numerator and denominator. So in this situation, when s approaches close to number 0 from the right, you will go about positive infinity. When s approaches to number 0 on the left, you will get about negative infinity. And this one, we have the limit for two sides in here. So the first one, that's about when s approaches to number 0 on the right, you will get about positive infinity. For on the left, you will get about negative infinity. Now let's go to the next one. We need to do about factorization of this one. This one, we put negative for s go to the left. This one we can do about factorization. Oh, sorry, wrong. So this one we can do about factorization. This one we do about negative number 4. So s minus 3, we can do about factorization again. So we simplify s minus 3 on numerator and denominator. So we put number 3 in here, and we will get about 6 over 9 minus 4, and you got about 6 over 5. Now let's go to the next one. We can do about factorization in here. This one we can do about factorization. Similar for this one. We have s minus 3, so we can do about factorization. Now we can simplify s minus 3 on numerator and denominator. And then we can put number 3 on here and here. So we got about 9 plus 9 over 3 plus 3. So you will get about 18 over 6. And we get about 3. Now let's go to the last one. Number 3, we can do about factorization. 7x, we can put about 9x minus 2. We can do about factorization with 2x. This one, that's about 9 multiplied by s minus 1. So this one we get about s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. Similar for this one. So we have s minus 1, s minus 1, and s minus 1. We simplify. And then we put number 1 in here. And we can get the final answer. This one you will get about number 4. This one you got number 2. And we have 13/6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.